In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit checkout in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your checkout settings and how to adjust colors, alignment, and branding so your store's final step feels polished and on brand. First, sign in and head to your account dashboard. From there, open your site's dashboard and choose Go to Website to enter the site editor. In the left navigation, select Website, then Open Pages. Within the Pages panel, look for System Pages. This is where Squarespace keeps special templates like checkout, password, and error pages. Select Checkout to bring up the style options specific to the checkout experience. Let's start with the background. Open Background Color and pick a color that suits your brand. A soft neutral often keeps the focus on form fields and order details, while a brand tint can add personality. Whatever you choose, keep contrast in mind so text and fields remain highly readable. If your brand uses a darker background, consider lighter text colors later to balance it. Next, decide whether your logo should appear on the checkout page. Toggle Show Site Logo on or off and preview how it feels. Turning it on reinforces brand trust at the payment step. Turning it off can create a cleaner, more minimal flow. Try both and see which better supports clarity and confidence for your customers. Now fine-tune text colors. Open Title Color and select a tone that pairs well with your background. The title is a key visual anchor, so choose something with strong contrast. Then move to Header Color to style the top area of the checkout. This might be the band behind your logo or title, depending on your template. Pick a color that's distinct but not distracting. To define the separation between the header and the rest of the page, open Header Border Color and choose a subtle line that helps guide the eye without adding clutter. If you've experimented and don't love the direction, use Discard Changes to roll back your recent adjustments. This is a quick way to revert before moving on or starting fresh with a new idea. For layout, open Header Alignment and test how the header content sits. Try left to keep things traditional and aligned with form fields. Switch to center for a more balanced, brand-forward look. Then revisit header alignment and choose right if your design language prefers a modern, off-center placement. As you toggle, focus on readability and visual hierarchy. Your goal is to reduce friction and keep buyers focused on completing their purchase. Buttons matter a lot at checkout, so open Button Color and choose a color that clearly signals action. High contrast with the background is essential. If you use a bold brand color here, make sure the button text remains easy to read. If your tweaks pile up and the page starts to feel inconsistent, use Reset Styles to Defaults to return the checkout to your template's original styling. When the confirmation appears, you can choose Cancel to keep experimenting or Reset to restore the defaults and get a clean slate. There's also a quick way to simplify typography. Select Set All to System Fonts if you want familiar, device-native fonts across the checkout. This can reduce loading overhead and make the experience feel fast and straightforward, which is especially helpful on mobile. To recap the path, open your site, go to Website, then Pages, find System Pages, and select Checkout. From there, adjust background color, choose whether to show site logo, set title color, and header border color, explore header alignment options, refine button color, and, if needed, use discard changes, reset styles to defaults, or set all to system fonts. As you work, preview changes in real time and aim for clarity, contrast, and consistency. A clean, branded checkout builds trust and helps customers finish with confidence.